In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter data by account groups in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money allows you to view your finances by specific account groups, so you can focus on areas like personal, joint, or business accounts. To do this on desktop, go to either the Accounts or Transactions tab. Then click Filters in the top right corner and open the Accounts section. Here, you can select specific accounts or groups to narrow down the data you want to view. Once applied, your transactions and balances will automatically update to show only the selected accounts, making it easier to focus on a specific part of your finances. You can also do this in the Reports or Cash Flow section. Simply apply the same account filters, and your charts and summaries will update based on the selected group. This is useful if you want to separate personal spending from business expenses or track finances with a partner. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.